What if I told you that you could build a professional-looking digital clock with stopwatch and alarm features in just a few minutes using AI? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Claude AI. I'm Dilawar Khan, and this is AI Code Cascade, where we turn AI into your coding superpower. Step 1. Prompt Overview. Before we dive into Claude AI, let's understand what we're building today. We're creating a complete digital clock application with three main features. Project Structure Overview. A live digital clock that updates in real time. Technical Stack. We'll be using three separate files. HTML for structure. CSS for styling with a modern duck theme and neon effects. JavaScript for all the interactive functionality. Key features we're implementing: live time display with date, tab navigation system, stopwatch with millisecond precision, multiple alarm management. Sound notifications, local storage for saving alarms, responsive design for all devices. The beauty of using AI for this project is that instead of writing hundreds of lines of code manually, we'll let Claude AI do the heavy lifting. All we need is a well-structured prompt. Step 2. Claude AI Login. Now, let's get started with Claude AI. First, you need to access Claude AI. Open your browser and go to link to Claude.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in with your Gmail account. If you're new to Claude, click on Sign Up and create your account using Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface where we'll paste our prompt. Claude AI is incredibly powerful for generating code because it understands context and can create complete, functional applications from detailed prompts. Step 3. Paste prompt and review. Here's where the magic happens. I'm going to paste our comprehensive prompt into Claude AI. Notice how detailed and well-structured this prompt is. Key elements of our prompt: clear project overview and structure, specific file requirements, detailed functionality descriptions, design specifications with color schemes, expected output and behavior. The secret to getting amazing results from AI is in the prompt quality. Notice how we've defined every aspect of what we want, from the file structure to the specific functions we need. This level of detail ensures Claude generates exactly what we're looking for. Step 4. AI Code Generation. Now watch as Claude AI works its magic. I'm hitting enter, and Claude is analyzing our prompt and generating the complete code for our digital clock application. This is fascinating. Claude isn't just generating random code. It's understanding the relationships between HTML structure, CSS styling, and JavaScript functionality. It's creating a cohesive application where all three files work together seamlessly. Look at this! Claude has generated three complete files. A structured HTML file with proper tab navigation. A beautiful CSS file with dark theme and neon effects. A comprehensive JavaScript file with all our required functionality. This is the power of AI-assisted development. What would typically take hours of coding, debugging, and styling is done in seconds with the right prompt. Step 5. Copy the code files. Now comes the simple part. Copying our generated code. I'm going to copy each file separately. First, the HTML file. This gives us our structure and layout. Next, the CSS file. This provides our modern dark theme with neon styling. Finally, the JavaScript file. This brings everything to life with functionality. Pro tip: always copy the files in order and make sure you get the complete code for each file. Claude has organized everything perfectly for us. Step 6. Visual Studio Code Setup. Let's bring our AI-generated code to life. I'm opening Visual Studio Code and creating our project. Creating a new folder called Digital Clock Timer. Inside this folder, I'm creating 3 files. Index, HTML, pasting our HTML structure. Style link to .css, pasting our CSS styling. Script, JS, pasting our JavaScript functionality. Now I'm saving all files. Using the Live Server extension to launch our application. The Live Server extension is fantastic for web development. It automatically refreshes your browser when you make changes to your code. If you don't have it installed, just search for Live Server in Visual Studio Code extensions. Step 7. Browser testing. Moment of truth. I'm opening Chrome and navigating to our Live Server URL. And there it is. Look at this beautiful digital clock application that Claude AI created for us. The dark theme looks professional, the neon effects are stunning, and everything is perfectly responsive. Step 8. Functionality testing. Let's test every feature to make sure our AI-generated code works flawlessly. Clock tab. The time is updating in real time. Perfect. Date display is showing correctly. The neon glow effect looks amazing. Stopwatch tab. Start button works. Timing is precise. Stop button pauses correctly. Reset button brings us back to 0. The millisecond precision is working beautifully. Alarm tab. I can set multiple alarms. The alarm list displays properly. Sound notification works when alarms trigger. I can delete individual alarms. Responsive design. Everything scales perfectly on different screen sizes. Touch targets are appropriate for mobile. The layout adapts beautifully. This is exactly what we asked for in our prompt, and Claude delivered perfectly. The code is clean, well organized, and fully functional. Conclusion and CTA. And that's how you build a professional digital clock application using AI in just minutes. What we accomplished today: created a complete web application with 3 core features. Used AI to generate clean, functional code. Learned the importance of detailed prompts for better AI results. Built something that would typically take hours in just minutes. Your next steps: try this yourself. Use the same prompt, experiment with modifications, and see what amazing applications you can create. The possibilities are endless when you combine AI with web development. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more AI-powered coding projects, make sure to subscribe to AI Code Cascade and hit that notification bell. In our last video, we created a color palette generator using AI. Check it out if you missed it. What should we build next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Whether it's a calculator, a Todo app, or something completely different, I'll show you how to build it using AI. Remember, the future of coding is not about replacing developers. It's about making us more productive and creative. AI is your coding superpower, and I'm here to help you unlock it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the amazing world of AI-powered development.